Salma. Di kelas 12 ieu nilai tos jadi hal nu penting dina kahirupan. Diajar terus jadi kamamun sapopoe abdi. Abdi teu sadar hal ieu loba ngubah salah sahijina kahirupan abdi jeung babaturan.
Emot mana?
Emot 2 juta.
2 juta ye, ngeri. Ayo main.
Yuk. Sing balik atuh tadi.
Awal main karet yuk.
Malah sampai
Hei, kurang sih sama waktu mana harap saya pisan deh jangan apa?
Ih, so ambis pisan padahal mah kalau dia ada ikut surija.
emang gitu sih sama saya ngajak kulit orang. Udah ajakan besok duluan sih atau orangnya besok. Kalau saya diajak.
Tiba negara di oge, itu dosa.
Nanti di bawah.
Oh, gane ini. Coba. Aku tuh pernah gibah wae.
Kata Bu PKN ada tugasnya teteh harus ngeiniin apa sih tempat sampah itu menghias biar bisa buat di kelas.
Halo janji. Sama dia aja kan kurang temen nih embung ih.
Ih sarwa ka urang gimana ka embung.
Kamu duluan.
Apa hari udah sudah jadi hebat sekarang kan?
Oke, norek ngajakan jenama Julin.
Heuh, siapa salah?
Bangun. Mau main apaan?
Anjir. Ini lebih kilogram.
Biru bos.
Bener.
Iya, hai piringan.
Thank you, Wan. Senarian biasa nama embu.
Nah, aku balik. Ayo. Wajar langsung sendiri
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so inspired, passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, and baskets. Slow speaking fast like a road, stuck in gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Iya, kurang sih. Hasil ulangan hari ini. Kubu Asmi. Oh. Nanti dipanggil hasilnya ya.
Ayo dipanggil.
Kata.
Mulai harus tahu semua.
Oh ya, tulisan. Titik. Woi, titik. Kabar ke? Mana? Jauh sudah mau ada. Mana? Tuh kawan, oke jangan PTS. Jawab. Jempol. Ija.
Meletakkan kadar sama mati kan gitu-gitu kali.
Maaf juga ya, kayak yang lain aku tahu seperti itu. Kalian respect. Tadi ngapurannya orang bentar-bentarnya. Maaf, ngapurannya. Dia ngapuran bentar. Ya. Ya tuh kalian kasih aja sih awalnya kan cuma sendiri gitu. Pak.
Iya, sebenarnya salah.
Kayak itulah alam mending main Uno, tong melong-melong.
Kenyataanna di kahirupan ieu lain saukur nilai pangajaran anu penting. Ngajaga hubungan jeung babaturan oge leuwih penting. Sakumaha ge urang pasti butuh anu jadi babaturan. Tentu mikiran kaharep lagi lebih penting. Ngantong hilap, nikmatkeun masa ayeuna.
Aus sih, dan aku orang masih cantik banget hari ini.